Well, hey there, welcome back to the Two-Stroke Turbo channel. Welcome back to a warm sleeping dog in the car parking lot of the shop. We are working in the shop today. Well, some of us are. This particular dog, shop dog Stella, is having her belly warmed. That means that the weather in Portland, Oregon is gorgeous. Look at that blue sky. Look at the blue sky over the cars. That's so great. Let's get in the shop and show you what the live action is, shall we? We've got the Honda 600, N600 all cleaned up. Baby got its first bath. Paint job looks fantastic. It's been about a year, I think, maybe 18 months since I painted it. It looks good. There's a few little things I got to sand out. The Dauphine is waiting for some door panels. I'm going to do the interior on that. But today's job, and following along on the Cabriolet Isetta, we're going to put some bushings in the front end. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So what we got going on here is our front bushings. They're called silent blocks. This little guy is a bushing that sits right in this lower control arm right here. And you can see if I wiggle this back and forth with my hand, there's a lot of play in there. So this little guy sits right there. And to get into that guy, you got to use a puller, and I'll show you the other side how it works. Pull off the bearing assembly, pull off the backing plate, which the brakes are on, and then you got access to your bushing. And you can see there's really nothing left. The only way to get that out is to press it out, burn it out, cut it out, however you want. But this bushing should look like this. It gets pressed in there. And I'm going to show you the tool that I use to pull. I've got this 2-jaw puller. I'm getting ready to pull this hub off and do the same thing on this side. So really got to take the brakes off, take the drum off, take the wheel off, of course, take the bearing hub off, get the backing plate off so you can access the lower control arm bushing. This one also is bad. Look at that. Look at the play in that. That's just knackered. I don't know how they got that way. But anyway, we're going to fix this guy up, make him run again, and he's going to be so happy. You might even get to go for a drive. Wouldn't you like that? I bet you would. Let's get it fixed.